expressive interjections in Thai language. So if you want to speak Thai and sound like a native speaker, you can add these interjections into your conversation. Or is when Thai people show their comprehension. Next is ha or ha is to show curiosity. For instance, your friends talk too fast and then you cannot catch what she or he said, and then you ask, ha? อะไรนะ ha? อะไรนะ Next one is อุ้ย อุ้ย is when you a little bit shocked. อุ้ย is like indicate your unpleasant surprise, like you didn't expect this. And next one is อี like when you see something disgusting. Next one, this one is very cute. จุ๊บ kiss, like kiss